With your Reloop Keypad Pro, you get 2 months of free access to Loopcloud, the world's largest sound library. Here's how to get started. Inside your Keypad Pro box, you'll find a flyer with a QR code. Scan the QR code and you'll be taken straight to the official Loopcloud page. There, simply register for an account. Your promo code will be activated automatically. You'll get a massive collection of high-quality sounds that you can freely browse and download from Loopcloud's huge library. Plus, enjoy access to the Loopcloud drum and play plugins and a full effects rack to shape your sound exactly the way you want. Never run out of sounds with the Reloop Keypad Pro and Loopcloud.